Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a fabulous product that promises to elevate your hair game, the KooKaStyle Invisible Wire Hair Extensions. These extensions come in a rich, dark brown shade, measuring 20 inches, making them a stunning choice for those looking to add length and volume effortlessly. The KooKaStyle Invisible Wire Hair Extensions feature a single piece with 4 clips attached to the weft for a secure fit. They include 2 wires of different lengths for your convenience, allowing you to adjust them for the perfect size. The upgraded thicker wire is designed to be more elastic, reducing the risk of breakage while ensuring a comfortable fit that won't cause pressure on your scalp. The innovative design includes secure hooks to keep the wire in place, providing a smooth and flat appearance, just like a secret headband. When I first tried these extensions, I was impressed by how simple they were to use. Positioning the wire on your head like a headband and securing it with the clips is a breeze. The fact that you can choose to wear them with just the wire, ideal for those with sensitive scalps or fine hair, adds versatility to their usage. In real-world testing, I found that the extensions blended seamlessly with my own hair, and the clips held firm throughout the day, even during a bit of movement. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the KooKaStyle extensions are incredibly user-friendly, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. The adjustable size is a significant benefit, allowing for a customized fit. However, the only downside I noticed is that, like many hair extensions, they can become tangled without proper care, so it's essential to follow the care tips included in the package. Comparatively, when looking at similar products on the market, KooKaStyle stands out due to its invisible wire feature and the 2 replacement wires. While other brands may offer clip-in extensions, few provide the same level of comfort and ease of use as these. In terms of value for money, I believe the KooKaStyle extensions are a great investment. They offer high quality at a reasonable price point, considering the durability and ease of use. The materials used feel sturdy, and the overall construction is impressive. The clips are securely sewn onto the weft, ensuring longevity. Speaking of longevity, I've used these extensions several times now, and they've held up well without any signs of wear and tear. Just remember to care for them properly by using detangle spray or a mixture of conditioner and water to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. Customer support for KooKaStyle has been commendable as well. I had a query regarding the installation process, and the response time was quick and helpful, which is always a plus when purchasing online. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so we can continue bringing you fabulous content. To wrap up, I highly recommend the KooKaStyle Invisible Wire Hair Extensions, especially for those who are looking for a convenient and effective way to enhance their hairstyle. They're perfect for anyone from beginners to those experienced with hair extensions. If you're on the fence about purchasing them, consider the affordable alternatives available. But keep in mind that the KooKaStyle extensions offer unique features that set them apart. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in these extensions, check the link in the description below. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments, or share your experiences if you've tried them out already. Your feedback is invaluable.